Let's look at some basic algebra problems. There will be no division or multiplication in these until perhaps the final step. No exponents to deal with, no distribution, nothing like that. So let's just take a look at this one. 5x plus 3 equals 7x minus 1. We want to solve for x. So we want to start by getting our x's on one side and just these regular numbers on one side. So I'm going to start by adding 1 here and then on this side in order to cancel this out. So that cancels out. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have a positive 4. So now we have 5x plus 4 on this left side. And we're left with just 7x on this side. Now let's get this 5x over to this side by subtracting 5x here and subtracting 5x here. This will cancel out. So we're left with 4 on this side, and now we have 7x minus 5x on the right side. 7x minus 5x, it's treated the exact same way as you would treat 7 minus 5. So 7x minus 5x is going to be 2x. And we have 4 on this side. Now what we want to do is we want to get rid of this 2. So in order to do that, we're going to divide both sides by 2. These will cancel out, which will leave us with just x on the right side. And over here we have 4 divided by 2, and that's 2. So our answer is 2. X equals 2. Let's look at another problem. Let's take a look at this problem. We're going to be solving for y. We have 12y minus 10 equals 14y plus 2. Let's start out by taking this negative 10 and adding 10 to both sides. And that will allow us to cancel this out right here. And then we're going to add 2 and 10 together to get positive 12. So now we're going to have 14y plus 12 on the right side and just 12y on the left side. Now we're going to subtract 14y from both sides. And that will allow us to cancel this out right here. Now we're going to take 12y minus 14y. That'll leave us with a negative 2y. And over here we're left with just positive 12. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. This will cancel out right here, which will leave us with just y. And 12 divided by negative 2 is going to be negative 6. Because anytime you multiply or divide a positive number by a negative one, the answer is always negative. So the answer to this problem is y equals negative 6. Last example. We have 2x plus 6 equals 4x minus 2. And we're going to solve for x. Let's start by taking this negative 2 and adding 2 to both sides. That'll cancel this out. We have 6 plus 2, which gives us plus 8. And we still have our 2x over here. And on the right side, we're left with just 4x. Now we're going to take our 2x, subtract 2x to cancel that side out. Minus 2x over here. This cancels out. We're left with 8 equals 4 minus 2. It's going to leave us with 2x. Divide both sides by 2. This will cancel out, leaving us with just x, just x on the right side, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 equals x. Any questions? Comment below.